Guys, I am unboxing the Aquastorm Ultra. I have already done it. I just want to take you through the parts that are usually inside the box and what goes where. I will show you in just a minute. So first, we have this part. We have the shower head part, as you can see. Can you see the jets? Those are the parts of the shower. Okay, so it has rubberized shower jets. Okay, they are made of rubber. They're very easy to clean. You just clean it with a brush when you see that it starts getting clogged. I don't know if you guys can see the jets well. Yeah, so that is how they look. This is black chrome, as you can see, the silver lining. This is how your shower is supposed to look in the bathroom at this angle. Okay, then we have this other part here that is basically the shower. So without this part here, you do not have a heater, you'll just have a shower head. So here is where our heating element is. So there's a part here that you open when you want to replace your shower element. Let me remove this cover here. Nice. Look at that. It's sleek and shiny. So yeah, this is where you open, as you can see, this part here. Okay, so this is your temperature, the temperature button. So you adjust your temperature through this button. Right, technician? Okay, so after you adjust that, the temperature there, this is where this is an inlet for the water. I don't see that. No, that, I don't know. Don't really know what that is exactly, but anyway, this is the inlet and the outlet. I don't know which one is which, but these are the inlet and outlets for the water. Here we have a cable that goes into this part, the inlet for the electricity. So yeah, that is how that part looks like. So this part goes here. I guess you people can now see the angle at which I'm trying to show. Anyway, now we have the other smaller parts. So sorry about my fingers. We have this other parts. This pipe here is usually connected to this telephone shower head. We have this other part. This one here is connected to the temperature button. Connected there. So if you're short, you can reach it. You can, yeah, you see it's turning the whole thing, the whole button, the button from the shower head. Yeah, and then we have this stand here. This one is mounted on the wall so that it can hold the telephone shower. And we have a nipple here, the connection into the water inlet. Wait, I said outlet for this part. These are inlets. They're inlets for the water so that it comes out of the shower jet. So the nipple is connected to the water output. Yeah, it comes with a manual. You can read. And then it comes with smaller parts, screws and all, that the technician uses. So yeah, that's about it, about whatever comes into an Aquastorm Ultra box. Thank you for watching.